What's going on, guys? My name is Malik, and I'm here to give you guys a quick update on my Topstep account. Technically, I passed the Topstep account in like, I'll technically say like one day, and then the second day I purposely lost so I wouldn't like go past like the rules or whatever of Topstep, and I still messed it up. Actually, I went over about $2,800, so I made too much money actually, to tell the truth. But technically, yeah. So I'm back. So even though when I thought I purposely lost to make up for it, either way though, but it's okay though. What's called? I just gotta make an extra 2,800. I'll probably make that extra 2,800 this week. Um, Obviously, it's gonna be the ES and NQ. But yeah, the ES and NQ. Obviously, the best trading hour for the ES and NQ is between like 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. But yeah, most of my profit actually came from gold. That's crazy though, actually. But like, it was a break and retest. Literally, it was a break and retest I saw on gold, and I caught it lit at the peak on the sell. And before you know it, I turned around for like 2 minutes. I came back, and this thing was just dropping. I was like, "Oh crap, 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 crap! Let me get out! Let me get out! Let me get out! I'm making too much money." But yeah, yeah, no, but the rule for that is kind of stupid, to tell the truth, in my opinion, though. But hey, it is what it is. It teaches you discipline, right? So, but yeah. So, other than that, oh yeah, shout out to the guy or girl or whoever that subscribed to my channel, man. You're my first subscriber, bro. You don't know how happy I was, man. I was jumping around all day, literally. Like, I was excited. I got like one subscriber, man. That's cool. That's cool as hell, bro. But yeah, I truly, YouTube doesn't show me who it is, but like whoever you are, I truly appreciate it, man. You're cool as hell. Like, you're number one on my book. But yeah, this YouTube thing is starting to get better for me because, like, like I said, like, I'm an introvert. Like, it's helping me get out of my shell a little bit. But I like it. I kind of like it though. It's cool though. But anyways, this is the Top Step update. If I pass it this week, I'll make another video and update you guys. Yeah, goal for today, for this week, is making $2,900. That's it. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. It's my channel. It's Malik. I'm out. Peace.